Hey there! In this video, I'm going to show you how to change your time format in Microsoft Teams in just a few simple steps. First, click the three dots menu at the top of the screen to open the Settings and More menu. From that menu, select Settings to open the Settings page. Once the Settings page loads, you'll see the General Settings section with your language and region options displayed. Click the Time Format drop-down to see the available time display options for your account. For this example, I'm selecting the 24-hour format, 101 to 2359. Once you've made your selection, a Save and Restart button appears at the bottom of the Settings panel. Click Save and Restart to apply your changes. Teams will close and reopen with your new time zone settings active. Remember that time format and time zone are different settings. If your calendar times still look wrong after changing the display format, check your time zone setting in Outlook on the web under Outlook Settings, then Calendar, then View, since Teams Calendar pulls its time zone from Outlook. To let colleagues see what time zone you're working in, open your profile card and make sure your working hours are set correctly. That way, anyone messaging you will know whether you're likely to be online. And that's how to change your time format in Microsoft Teams. Thanks for watching. Hope this helped.